Yes, we were in court today for what they call a taking of a plea again, which is a form of rearrangement for the criminal trial that commenced since 2019. I think since October of 2019. It's unfortunate that the matter has dragged this long because the state has nothing to prove. There's a judgment of this court that has declared that particular protest of 2019, August 2019, as lawful, and that's through the harassment and the brutalization of the persons that participated in that particular protest is unlawful. So it is therefore unfortunate that we could have a charge pending in court against a man who did not participate in that same protest that has been declared as being lawful. It was on this ground and this premise that we filed an application to quash that same charge as being an abuse of court process. If a court had declared a particular process and had declared that persons that participated in that particular protest as a legitimate protest, and had declared that the harassment of persons who took part in that protest was unjustifiable in law, on what basis would you now arraign a man who was denied by the DSS? Because Mr. Sowore was arrested on the 3rd of August 2019 before the said protest could materialize. So on what basis are you not charging that same man in court for the said protest that has been declared as being lawful? These are some of the grounds that we have brought before the court to decide whether that trial or that arraignment could, even on its own, proceed. We are challenging the arraignments, and we are hopeful that on the next adjourned date, the court will hear us and quash the unlawful charge that was instituted by the Nigerian state to oppress the Nigerian masses. Protest has been declared as a right of the Nigerian people. Human rights are my property. And so therefore, any state agents, any state institution, or anybody exercising any power under any law in this country with the aim of thwarting and trampling on the rights of Nigerians would be challenged, and the court must live up to its expectations, must live up to its billing as the last hope of the common man. Section 666 has declared the court as the ultimate arbiter between all persons and authorities in Nigeria, and the courts must, as a matter of duty and obligation, live up to that expectations so that the rights of the Nigerian people, the hope of the Nigerian masses, can at all times be upheld. And it is the duty of this court to do that. And we are hopeful that to the next adjourned date, this right would be upheld and the charge will be quashed accordingly. Thank you.